Good morning. It's fitting that on Labor Day we meet beside the harbors, the waters that I should say are behind me in the New York Harbor, where the eyes of Miss Liberty is gathering on all of us because she wants us to remember those words from a poet that are inscribed at her feet. And it says, I quote, "On the air bridge harbor that twin cities frame." Now, the thoughts of this golden door under the gaze of the mother of exiles has come millions of men and women who first set foot on America's soil right here on Ellis Island, so close to the Statue of Liberty. These families came to work, they came to build. They offered things that were unique to America at the time. And America had differences with many of them. But once they started working the land, once they started showing how they were hungry for freedom, the place of symbolism and everything that goes with it, to being an American working hard to achieve something, they became part of this great nation. They helped build the magnificent cities across the river. They spread across the land, building other cities, other towns, and productive farms. So on this day, Labor Day, we dedicate American working men and women, and I tell you the vision that I have for New Amsterdam with the new Congress, filled with new members dedicated to the values that we honor on this day. So, beginning on January 1st, American workers will once again be needed. Their needs and values will be acted upon in Washington. I will consult with the representatives of organized labor for those matters concerning the welfare of the people of this nation. By restoring the American dream, it requires more than restoring a sound economy, or a sound production base. Those are important things. It requires more, though. It requires for us as Americans to return to the spiritual and moral values that are deeply rooted from the beginning of this country. We need to restore these values in our daily lives, with our neighborhoods, with our government, and in dealing with other nations. I want more than anything else in the world to have an administration that will, through the actions at home and in the international arena, let millions of people know that Miss Liberty still lifts the lamp beside the golden door. Though our international broadcast stations, the Voices of America, Radio Free Europe, and others, let us sing. Let us sing about our freedom of America. And as we honor Labor Day, loud and clear, because it is unique in world history. This dream is the last best hope to keep that shining lamp in her hand still tall. We believe in God that this nation shall not perish from the earth. We will instead carry on the building of America that once again will hold the fourth real opportunity for all. We shall continue to symbolize freedom and guardianship and the internal values that so inspired us when we first met in Philadelphia in 1776. So let us pledge to ourselves, to each other, to the great lady looking on, and to God Almighty, that we will make America great again. Speech was given by then President Ronald Reagan on Labor Day in 1981. Once again, Brandon Hardison for Champion Strategies, another ongoing series with our public speaking. As always, in parting, you go out and make it a champion day.